Hello, dear children. First of all, before starting this chapter, Reach for the Top, I just want to ask you one question. How many ideals you have in your life? I know, at the answer of this question, many of you will say or will talk about some renowned names. Some of you could say about your parents, teachers, mother, father, brother, or etc. See, whom we called our ideal because those who have done something precious in their life, something very important in their life. So, this type of one character, Santosh Yadav, we are going to read. Without wasting time, let's start the lesson Reach for the Top. First of all, I'll describe justification of the title. Reach meaning trying to go on the top. This is the part 1 of Santosh Yadav. How she tried to go on the top. How was her journey? Everything we are going to read in this video. The only woman in the world who has scaled Mount Everest twice was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing and a daughter, though not considered a curse, was not generally welcome. Santosh Yadav was a lady who scaled, meaning who completed 2-time Mount Everest journey. Meaning she was capable to reach on Mount Everest 2 times being a girl, being a lady. And she got birth in a family of Haryana, in a society where importance was given to the male child of a family. Though girls' birth was not considered as curse, but boys were more welcomed. When her mother was expecting Santosh, a traveling holy man giving her his blessing, assumed that she wanted a son. Once her mother, when she was expecting her, that time when she was pregnant, one holy man came, meaning a religious man came in his village, in her village, and then he thought that she must be expecting a boy. Because generally in that society, boy's birth was considered as a blessing. So, he gave the blessings of, meaning for son, that she should get son in that upcoming expectation. But to everyone's surprise, the unborn child's grandmother, who was standing close by, told him that they did not want a son. But everybody got surprised when Santosh Yadav's grandmother said they did not want a son because already they had 5 sons in the family. They were expecting for a girl this time. The holy man was also surprised. Nevertheless, he gave the requested blessings. So, the holy man was also surprised because that type of scene was not very common in that society at that time. But anyways, he converted the blessings and he said yes, they should be blessed with baby girl. And as destiny would have it, the blessing seemed to work. As it was destined, and it was set in the luck of the family, luck of the village, luck of the lady, they got a baby girl. Santosh was born the 6th child in the family with 5 sons, a sister to 5 brothers. Now Santosh Yadav got birth in a family where already 5 sons were there. So she was the sister of 5 brothers. She was born in the small village of Joniawas of Rewari district in Haryana. She got birth in a district Haryana, Rewari district of Haryana. That was a small place. The girl was given the name Santosh, which means contentment. See, dear children, as you know, in our mythology or in almost every mythology, children are given name, auspicious name are given to the children. So she was also given the name Santosh, which means contentment. But Santosh was not always content with her place in a traditional way of life. But her name was contentment, Santosh, but she did not have any sort of Santosh because she was not fitting herself well in the traditional Indian style. That time in Rewari district of Haryana, people were, especially the girls, had to follow everything very traditionally. Where other girls wore traditional Indian dresses, Santosh preferred shorts. When everybody was wearing traditional dresses, Santosh was wearing shorts, meaning short dresses. Nobody preferred her. Looking back, she says now, from the very beginning, I was quite determined. Determined meaning firm determination, firm resolution, that if I choose a correct and a rational, logical path, the others around me had to change, not me. She says, when she is looking back, she said that since beginning it was clear to her when she was thinking logically, when she was not wrong, then people around her should change. She should not change because of others' wishes. Santosh's parents were affluent landowners who could afford to send their children to the best schools, even to the country's capital, New Delhi. Actually, Santosh Yadav's parents were extremely rich. They were rich enough to send their children to city, especially in New Delhi. To send their children for New Delhi is very expensive task, which was quite close by. From Haryana, New Delhi was very close, so he was capable to send his children there because enough money was there with his father. But in line with the prevailing custom in the family, Santosh had to make do with the local village school. But here again, girl and boys discrimination was coming in between. They were ready to send the sons to a big city. But for Santosh, she had to complete her school in a village school only. So she decided to fight the system in her own quiet way when the right moment arrived. But Santosh was not going to surrender in front of the traditional setup. She wanted to revolt when the right time came for that. And the right moment came when she turned 16. Till 16 she completed her education in village. But